Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showcasing or demonstrating the basic usage of Nmap. And if this is your first time using Nmap, don't worry because I'll be walking you through the process of downloading it or installing it. And also, we'll be walking through the basic usage. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome to the lab environment. But before we begin, I'll quickly show you how to install Nmap. If you are running Kali Linux or Parrot OS, you already have Nmap installed. But if you are running, let's say Ubuntu, you can simply install Nmap with the following command. I'll give it my password. It's complete, but anyway, I already have it installed. So that is how to simply install Nmap. The next step should be to know how to use it. So we can quickly learn how to use Nmap by using the help command. But first of all, I will use the manual command to know more about Nmap. Then later we'll move forward with the help command. Okay, now we'll quickly type in man Nmap. Okay, as you can see, the name is Nmap Network Exploration Tool and Security or Port Scanner. Now the description says that Nmap is a network mapper, an open source tool for network exploration and security auditing. It was designed to rapidly scan large networks. Although it works fine against single host, Nmap uses raw IP packets in novel ways to determine what hosts are available on the network, what services and application name and version those hosts are offering, what operating system, for example the OS version, that they are running, what type of packet filter or firewall in use, and dozens of other characteristics. While Nmap is commonly used for security audits, many sysadmin and network administrators find it useful for routine tasks such as network inventory, managing service, upgrade schedules, and monitor hosts of service. As you can see, we have some of Nmap examples, some of the switches on how to use it. But anyway, we'll be moving to the help menu to actually learn how to use some of these Nmap switches. So let's quickly do that. To do that, I will type the nmap-help, which is for the help menu. Now, these are some of the nmap commands that we can use. First, we have the target specifications. Now, if you have a list of targets, let's say you have a multiple IP address that you want to scan, so you can create a file. Then you put all the IP address, and whenever you want to perform the scan, you just have to specify this, then you give it the file name. Now we have the host discovery. If you want to discover live hosts in the subnet, in this video I will be using this ping scan to discover live hosts, so you can use it whenever you are trying to discover live hosts in the network. In the scan techniques option, we have the possibility to perform the sync scan, connect scan, the arc scan, and the rest. So if you ever need them for some reason, you can refer to the help menu to use them. We also have the port specification and scan order. For example, to scan a specific port, like let's say port 80, for example, you can use this switch and give it whatever port you want to scan, or you can scan the entire TCP port with this range, with this switch also. So there are possibilities to scan port. For example, if you want to scan, they have the fast mode, which scan I think 100 port by default. With this is the fast mode. In here we have the service version detection. This is the actual switch to perform a service version detection. Okay, we also have the script scan. To perform a default script scan, you can issue this command. It's equivalent to the default script scan. Of course, you can perform some custom script because Nmap have there's something called the NSC. There is an Nmap scripting engine which consists of a lot of scripting that you can use for some specific service, for example, SMB, MySQL, and the rest. We also have the possibility to perform operating system detection with this -O, which enables the operating system detection. One of my favorite is the timing and performance, which I love it so much, but it increased the performance of the scan, which make it faster. You have the possibility to go from 0 to 5, 5 being the highest. This is insane. For me, I like to use 5 probably in a CTF environment where firewall invasion is not a thing. So if you are not thinking about firewall invasion, I always use the highest. Anyway, we also have the firewall and IDS evasion and spoofing. We have some command here for this -F is for packet fragment. We also have the possibility to perform some decoy, spoof source IP, spoof the interface or the source port. So this is quite cool. And another interesting part is the output, which is to save the command, to save the scan result. You have the possibility to save it in a normal file, the XML file, and the grepable format. Or if you want to save it in all formats, this is the argument to do that. Anyway, we also have the miscellaneous, for example, to enable IPv6 scanning, or the -A to enable OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and trace route, which is cool. And here we have some examples on how to use it. The -V is for verbose. This is to perform aggressive scan, which enables OS detection, version detection, and the rest. Or for example, if you want to perform a ping scan on the given subnet, you can do that. For more information, as you can see, it is recommended to use the man page, at least spend time with the man page, read through them, be familiar with them, and be comfortable. Of course, you don't have to memorize every command out here. So whenever you want to use it, use the help menu. Okay, now it's time to perform some demonstration with what we have learned. Okay, guys, now it's time for demonstration. So I'll be starting with the host discovery. But before I perform the host discovery, I'll quickly check my interface to see my IP. So let's quickly do that. Okay, as you can see, I have the ETH0. So this IP, I'll be performing a host discovery on this IP. So to discover more hosts. So to do that, we are going to use this -SN, which is a ping scan to discover some live hosts. So then I'll give it the target. Give it my password. Okay, great. We can see that some hosts are up. This host is up. We have some live hosts here. So I'm going to choose, let me go with this and see. So the next practical step is to try and perform, let's say, port scan to try and identify any open port on this host. So I will quickly perform, let's say, port scan. I will be scanning the entire port. Then to scan the entire port, you can use this command. Then I'll give it the target. I will make it verbose. Okay, port 336 is open, which is by default is MySQL. We also have the port 139, which is the NetBIOS. We have 8080. We have the SMB. All right, let's wait for the port to complete. Let's wait for the scan to complete. Now, as we can see, the scan is complete. We have a lot of services opened. We have port 21 FTP. We have a lot of services that are open. So the next step now is to try and enumerate the service version. So to do that, I will be combining the the service version detection, the script scan, and the timing template so that it will be fast. So I'm going to pick FTP. So I'll pick FTP and perform additional scan of them and try to enumerate it further. So to scan the FTP protocol, I'll be using Nmap as well. So then I want to perform a service version detection and also to perform a default script scan. And I'm giving the timing template to, I'm increasing it to 5, which is the highest. So I want it to be faster. Then what next? I will make it verbose. Then I'll give it the target. The port that I'm scanning, which is port 21 for FTP. Then I'll give it the target. Let me check again. This is the correct target. Yes, it's correct. Then give it my password. Okay, wait. As you can see, we are able to enumerate the version. The version is Microsoft FTPD, and we also perform additional scans on it. So great. One of the most important things that I will be performing is the saving the scan result, because in my opinion it is very important. So we'll try to save the scan result, and I will also be performing the aggressive scan. So let's perform the aggressive scan to target the SSH, because it is going to enable the operating system detection, version detection, scripting scan. Okay, wait, let's do that with the SMB. So that makes sense. So I'm going to perform an aggressive scan against the SMB service, and also we are going to save the scan result. All right. So I'll do that with what I want to perform my aggressive scan. Then the protocol is the port is 445. Then I'll give it this target. Then I want to save the scan in all formats. Let's say, what will I call it? Let's say map tutorial scan. That makes sense. All right. Right, here is the result of the scan. As you can see, it was able to enumerate the version. So for the NetBIOS, it's a Microsoft Windows NetBIOS SSN, and for the SMB, it's a Microsoft Windows Server 2008 R2 standard service pack 1. So it was for the OS operating system detection, it was able to identify that it was running Microsoft Windows 7 2008, and there's some of the other information. For the whole scripts, the whole script scan, we have some information here. For example, the NetBIOS name, Vagrant 2008 R2, and a whole lot of information that it was able to enumerate. And for the trace route, it was able to identify the address. The hop is 1. Okay, this is great. Let's try and see if it actually saved the scan result. Yeah, we have the scan result. So anyway, let me check one of the results. So cat Nmap. All right, we have the same information. This is good. This is good. We have the scan results. We have a file for them, and we also have what we wanted. This is really, really nice. All right, that was it for today. So if you liked the video, feel free to like, share, comment. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.